about the next topic in effective Dart, which is prefer writing doc comments for public APIs. So this is something which is recommended, which is not a must, but which is recommended. So we should prefer writing document comments for public APIs. We need not document each of the single library top level variable type member, but we should try to document most of them. Okay, now we should consider writing a library level doc comment. Okay, so what is a library level doc comment? So in Dart, we can import a whole library. So the in, for example, if we contrast it with Java, in that we have various classes which are the unit of program organization in which we import the classes, but here we can directly import the whole library, which comes with maybe a lot of different classes or widgets or whatever. So basically, what we can write here, a single sentence summary of what the library is for. For example, this library helps us render the user details or whatever. Okay, and then explanations of the terminology used throughout the library. For example, like we'll be referring each of the user by its ID, by his or her ID basically. Some example I'm giving, a couple of complete code samples that walk through through using the API. If we are exposing some API, then we should like give complete code samples how we can use that library. For example, let's say we are writing some custom widget in a library. For example, it's a widget for multi checkbox because that was not provided by Flutter till now, I guess. So we had used a custom type in past. So if we are using some custom types and then we are only creating those libraries, then we should document how we can use those libraries. We or any other third party can use those libraries. So we'll give the complete code samples of using them. And then we can give links to most important or most commonly used classes and functions in that library. And we can give links to external references on the domain the library is concerned with. So yeah, these are the things we can make use of, like while writing the documents. And how do we document a library? By placing a doc comment right above the library directive at the start of the file. If the library doesn't have a library directive, then we can just add one just to hang the doc comment off it. Okay, so that library or directive can be added. Okay, so hopefully you understood the video. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.